Okay, job number SW1017A-B, 30-inch diameter ram, slab side up acting press, and single power unit running both presses. I'm going to go ahead and put the press through its cycle, showing the light curtains effective. The press is hydraulically locked at any point, whether power failure or e-stop or light curtain break, so it will not open even if it's at tonnage. I'll go ahead and put it through its cycle. This is press B. Okay, press is closing on the high volume, low pressure pump. Once it closes to the top, it'll build up tonnage. Starting the cure timer, currently set at 35 seconds. It will time out, decompress, and open to the bottom position. Okay, press is at tonnage. Cure timer started. Okay, press is timed out, decompressed, and now we'll open to the bottom of its stroke. Presses can be run together at the same time. I'm going to demonstrate that now. I'll go ahead and close up A and then I'll close up B. They are independently functioning on the power unit, so it doesn't matter. They can both be closed at the same time. Okay, both presses are closing on high volume, low pressure. Each press has its own independent hydraulic circuit. They just share the volume of the tank. Okay, both presses are clamped up, cure timer started. is timed out, decompressed. B is timed out, decompressing. That completes job SW1017A/B.